हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ऑनलाइन लर्निंग वेबसाइट। मशीन डिज़ाइन के ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस जो कि इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकते हैं आपके कम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशंस एंड अदर एग्जामिनेशंस में। दोस्तों, क्वेश्चन नंबर 36 की तरफ बढ़ते हैं आगे। क्वेश्चन 36 कह रहा है कि अ प्रेशर वेसल इज डिफाइंड एज थिन और थिक डिपेंडिंग ऑन द रेशियो of plate thickness to the mean radius of pressure vessel being less than or more than dash. The right answer is this is 1 by 15. 1 by 15. Next question. Question 37 कह रहा है कि an operation performed in a round nose chisel by pressing at the ends of beveled plates to obtain a leak proof joints. What is the right answer is that? Right answer is that caulking is the right answer. Next question. Question 138. Type of rivets used for joint which is accessible from only one side. The right answer is that blind rivets is blind rivets. Next question, question number 39. According to dash formula, the diameter of rivet equal to 6 square root of thickness of plate. What is the right answer is? Right answer is that unwin. Next question, question number 40. A key inserted into the keyway which is partially in the shaft and partially in the hub. The right answer is that shank key is shank key. Next question, question number 41 is that a key consisting of two keys driven at 90 degree or 120 degree apart and fitted diagonally and used for heavy duty power transmission in either direction. The right answer is that Kennedy key is Kennedy key is the right answer. Next question. Question number 42. A rectangular key with the two ends beveled off at 45 degree to facilitate assembly and disassembly. Right answer is that Barth key. Next question, question number 43. Snap rings used to prevent axial motion of the two concentric parts. Right answer is that Sir clips is the right answer. Next question, question number 44 is that a joint used to connect two rods subjected to tensile loads only. The right answer is that knuckle joint is the right answer. Next question, question number 45. Cylindrical members threaded at both ends. The right answer is that studs. Next question, question number 46. A special form of fluid from lubrication in which the development of effective films is encouraged by local elastic deformation of bearing solid. The right answer is that elasto hydrodynamic lubrication. Next question, question number 47 is question 47 is that a plate or cylinder which communicates motion to follower by means of its edge or a groove cut in its surface. The right answer is that is cam. Next question, question 48 is that combinations of gears in which some or all the gears have a motion compounded of a rotation about an axis and a translation or revolution of that axis. The right answer is that is epicyclic gear trains. The next question, question 49 is that threads for general use, especially where rapid assembly is required and for gray iron, soft metals and plastic. The right answer is that is chorus series thread. Next question. Question number 50 is that threads are for application requiring greater strength or where the length of engagement is limited. The right answer is that fine thread series. Next question, question number 51 is that question number 51 says that threads for highly stretched parts and where internal threads are required in a thin walled fastener. Right answer is that extra fine thread. Next question, question 52. Largest diameter of screw thread is is major diameter is major diameter. Next question, question number 53. Smallest diameter of screw thread is smaller is minor diameter is minor diameter. Next question 54 is that used for fastening collars, sheaves, gear etc to shaft to prevent relative rotation or translation. Right answer is that set screws is set screws. Next question, question number 55. A dash keys prevent parts from tuning on a shaft hole allowing them to move in a lengthwise direction is feather is feather. Next question, question number 56. It makes a semi-permanent connection between two shafts. The right answer is that is coupling is coupling. Next question, question 57. Couplings having two basic parts in an impeller and runner, there being a no mechanical connection between the two shafts. The right answer is that fluid coupling. Fuel couplings. Next question, question number 58. Couplings which permits the disengagement of the coupled shaft during rotation. The right answer is that clutches. Next 59. Brakes used with flywheel for quick braking and where large kinetic energy of the rotating mass precludes the use of block brakes due to excessive heating. The right answer is that eddy current brakes. Next question, question number 60. Drives the efficiency to 90 efficiency of 98 to 99%, having no slippage, no initial tension, and possibility of traveling in either direction. His right answer is that is non-spinning hosting rope. Next question, question number 61. Build up of strands of wire laid together. The right answer is that wire rope is wire rope. Next question, question number 62. Wing ropes in which the wires and strands are laid in the same direction. The right answer is that lang lay rope. Next question, question number 63. A rope made of 6 strands, each of 19 wires, the strands being laid around a fiber core. The right answer is that is standard is a standard hosting rope. The next question, question number 64. A rope constructed of 6 strands of 7 wires should long lay laid around a fiber core and converted with an outer layer composed of 12 strands and 7 wires regularly. The right answer is that is non-spinning hosting rope. The next question, question number 65. Tooth from gears for intersecting shaft. The right answer is that is bevel. Next question, question number 66. The ratio of number of teeth in the gear to the diameter of the pitch circle. The right answer is that diametral pitch. Next question is 67. Question is that the distance along the line of action between successive involved tooth surface. The right answer is that is pressure angle. Is pressure angle. The next question is the circle from which the involute tooth profiles generated are generated. The right answer is that is 69 का right answer हो जाएगा base circle. Is base circle. Question number 70 is that question number 70 है bevel gears for right angles shaft and gears having 1:1 ratio. The right answer is that miter gears. Next question. Question number 71. Bearings to prevent lengthwise motion of a rotating shaft is thrust bearing. Next question. Question number 62. Question number 72 is that means used to prevent or minimize leakage of a fluid through mechanical clearance in either the static or dynamic state is the packings. Next question, question 73 is that unique flange packing having an elastometer lip generally bounded to a metal cup which is press fitted into a smooth cylindrical bore. The right answer is that oil seal. Next question, question 74 is under dynamic stresses the dash limit of the material should be taken as the criterion for the design of the shaft. The right answer is that is endurance. Is endurance. Next question. Question 75 is that for a shaft having distance L between supports, the critical speed is proportional to is L minus 3 by 2. Next question. Question 76. The type of spring suited for space limitation and for providing variable stiffness. The right answer is that conical helical spring. Conical helical spring. The last question, question 77. The type of spring of high compression capacity and to fit into small space. The right answer is that Belleville spring. These are the answer from question number 1 to 77. You must be check out very carefully. Thanks for watching and sharing.